The first thing you want to do is double click here, find the footage that you're working on. In my case, I am going to find my video folder. These are old videos, right? Maybe select some of these videos and let me see, 1, 2, 3. I can select all of these videos. Maybe you will have 6. So let me select 6 and import. So the videos are here, they're gray, but you can take all of them and put it in a folder if you want. You don't have to. And then you can do the same. Double click here on the side to find the audio, wherever you put your audio. Remember what I said? The very first thing you put on the timeline the timeline will take the characteristic of that thing. So you want to make sure that you put something that is 1920 by 1080, that size. Or else if you take something that's square or that is landscape, everything will be landscape. 1920 by 1080 is the frame size that we generally use.